everyone. I'm Keeping Topic. I'm Sakshi Sharma, Assistant Professor, Indian College of Education, is going to present my paper entitled Flipping Classroom by Social Media. Social media provides educators with the exciting new opportunity to connect with students in a manner that continues to provoke thought and discussion outside of the classroom settings. The use of social media encourages students to interact with one another and may increase engagement and interest in the course content. The role of social media has expanded from recreational use to supplementing learning in the classroom environment. More and more research is being conducted to evaluate the impact of social media in the classroom. We can define social media as a category of online media where people talk, participate, share, do networking, and bookmark online. It's more of a two-way conversation rather than a one-way broadcast like traditional media. Mithudilin et al. 2013 defined flipped learning as a hybrid method that uses interventions to interchange lecture time to homework and utilizes interactive learning for the face-to-face classroom time. So is social media really helpful in the flipping process? I'm going to highlight some research on it. Vygotsky in 1980, he highlights that human beings best learn if there are some sorts of interaction through collaborative learning so that students work together in a task. In the social era, shared interaction and collaboration in teaching and learning is now implemented virtually without worrying about time and space limitations or deadlines. In 2011, Mike Morin et al. Reported a social media survey that revealed nearly two-thirds of all teaching faculty have used social media in their class and 30% have posted content for students to view outside the class. Markov et al. Woodard and Glenn 2014, Wheeler 2010 stated that forms of social media technologies such as Twitter and blogs can jointly be an impetus to enable both students and instructors actively and instantly participate and communicate with each other on educational activities. This was Pakstava, Mitrovic, and Patrick. They stated that social media technologies, which have recently exponentially grown and become prevalent, have a capability to supplement traditional teaching and learning approaches in institutions of higher learning. Venkov et al. In 2014, they reflected that tweeting is regarded as a more interactive and exciting way of learning as compared to traditional knowledge transfer tools such as lectures. Chowinga and Zinn, Gigas and Grant 2013, they focused that some of the most social media technologies include social networking sites such as Facebook, Twitter, MySpace, LinkedIn, media sharing sites such as YouTube, Flickr, and Tumblr, and wikis and blogs. Petrovec, Dietrich, and the Pastava. Unlike the traditional face-to-face medium of teaching, which has some space and time restrictions, in electronic media, the world becomes a classroom available 24/7 and they are not confined to Mondays to Fridays. Johns in 2015 deliberated that students soon embraced Twitter as a collaborative tool and increasingly came to class with improved attitude towards and readiness for class discussion. So how the social media can be incorporated in actual life and flipping process? Facebook. Facebook serves as a popular medium for students to connect with one another. Educators may make themselves appear to be easy to relate to when connecting to students through Facebook. Teachers can creatively employ Facebook tools such as its wall for posting comments, its gallery for posting images, videos, and messaging facilities, A news feed on the main page teacher can use to send the latest activity, material, video, etc., which teacher can discuss later on in the class. Instagram. Teacher can use Instagram by discovering the work of contemporary artists on Instagram or pull up an artist's Instagram page instead. Teacher can also explore and ask students to explore hashtags with the students. This is one of the great features of Instagram as it connects as a community. Blogs. To publish assignments, resources, and keep students and even parents up to date on the class events, due dates, and content being covered, this is a really helpful tool. Blogs are also helpful to students to master the content and improve their writing skills. Twitter. Teacher can use Twitter to give a quick recap of a lesson that teacher just finished teaching. The topic can be made more interactive and interesting by connecting Twitter to different types of multimedia such as YouTube. Teacher can transmit information faster as Twitter makes things comprehensive and precise. Teacher can use it as a perfect bulletin board as well. WhatsApp. Teacher can send links, his own videos, pictures, experts videos, documents, PDFs, PPTs related to the content he wants to teach to the class. He can also create specific groups of specific students and share particular content with them. In short, this can tackle the diversification of the class. So to conclude, I can say that social media sites enable a teacher to extend the classroom teaching in new and interesting ways. This supports a form of social learning, that is, constructing learning in a social setting. The flipped classroom plays an important role in enhancing the positive role of the learner during the educational process by providing the students with content before the lecture by the use of technology and exploiting the class time in debates, problem solving, discussion, creating, synthesizing, and applying the knowledge. Flipping the classroom creates an ideal merger of learning through social media sites and face-to-face interaction. So that's all. Thank you so much for your patience and for your time. Thank you.